Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view your games tournaments on Facebook. Let's dive into the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, locate and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the gaming option. Once you're in the gaming section, tap on Your Tournaments. Here, you can swipe left or right to easily view the tournaments you're participating in. Stay updated on your progress and upcoming matches with just a simple swipe. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly access and keep track of your games tournaments on Facebook, engage in friendly competition, showcase your skills, and connect with fellow gamers through exciting tournaments. Discover a new level of gaming excitement by exploring and participating in tournaments on Facebook. Stay in the game and compete with friends and players from around the world, right at your fingertips. That wraps up our guide on viewing your games tournaments on Facebook. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of competitive gaming and showcase your talents.